illegal construction of road widening activity touching survey number so and so up to the chapel without obtaining the permission from this panchayat as required under CPR Act 1994. Therefore, in exercise of the powers vested in me, vested in the Sarpanch, as per section 64(1)J of GFR Act 1994, you are directed to stop the illegal construction of road widening. And this was done after the 25th of March. We have all records to show that it was done after violating the Sarpanch order. They have completely violated it without any work order, without any permission. So this is very illegal and no measurements to be taken. No cognizance of this road has to be taken, and then we are ready to sign the documents. We will not sign it on this extension which has been done because it is illegal, without any work order, without any permission, and contrary to the orders of the Sarpanch. He has full powers to stop the work, and on that particular day he came here on the site and told we will issue the stop order. He had agreed that he will issue the stop order of the work.
Yeah, we have a
but
video
then
also.
issued the letter of stopping the illegal construction of the road. He had given a word to us that he will stop the work in the project, including any road widening. But then he issues a letter stating only stop the illegal construction of road. Anyway, we agreed to it. But after this date, madam, this road widening was done beyond this road, without any work order, without any permission. So we are not agreed to this, and we will not sign any this until and unless the Sarpanch takes a notice of this, that this work has been done illegal by the project builders. Then we are ready to sign. We have no objection to it. We want a peaceful demonstration against this project, madam.
Very good.
I'm a ex-serviceman. I have followed the order board of
We want small projects, not big projects.
and we are following the rules. We don't want anyone to violate the rules, madam. So I appeal to you to let us have it in a peaceful way and with the law in place. That is what we want, nothing else. Madam, you have anything to say?
We have removed a notice.
Yeah,
As a village.
1 minute. Yes.
Directly today I can issue a notice, and today only the complainer or responder could not come. So today also responder have not come. Still we have done we have done our 3 days. So after completing 3 days, then only we can visit the site. They forcefully came in the mob and sat in the panchayat. There was power shutdown. They forcefully told me to come and visit the site without a letter. I came. Yeah, my villagers. I am the Sarpanch of the full village. Villagers have supported me to become as a member. My colleagues who are 11 non-Catholic, all are my members are there. They have supported me as a Catholic. And after 15 or 20 years, I am the for this term, for 1 year. Whatever justice are there, I am ready to give. I am not backward. I supposed to, my term have been completed. That day they have forced me to say the words from my mouth to resign. Now I won't resign till I get the justice to my chapel.
Yes.
I am with the village. I will follow my terms and conditions. I won't go wrong way. They are telling me to dig the road just now. I could not dig that way. I could not take a law in my hand. I am with the. I am also a Catholic committee. There is a committee for the chapel. Head of the this thing, parish priest, he is there. We are ready to talk, but they don't want to talk with us. They are just spoiling our name. They are doing a small clip and spoiling our name. I am with my this thing, religion, with the Catholic, and no one can teach me religion this thing. And I am giving insurance. Not a single centi will break off the chapel.
Will be demolished or will not be broken. Yes.
Not the question of that. We don't want that.
Against the project.
I would like to ask,
No, he's saying no heat will go, but project
can
from
I ask
there.
one question?
See, this is the problem of the villagers.
We don't want such a big project.
You speak, Priyanka. Elderly lady wants to speak.
Advisor.